In this next tutorial, we are going to show you how to recover a forgotten password. Go to the system, click Login, find Forgot Password, click it, type in your username, click Submit. The system will email you a verification code. Go to your email, open it, write down or highlight and copy your password reset code, type or paste it into the system, type in your username, and type in your new password. Please note that the password must be a minimum of 8 characters, contain an uppercase letter, a special character, a lowercase letter, and a numeric character. And click Submit. The system will now want you to log in. Type in your username and password to sign in. And click Sign in. You now have access to the online price posting application. Please see our other tutorials on how to use the online beer price posting system.